What's up everybody? Welcome to a quick how-to video. In this video we're going to replace a bathroom ceiling exhaust fan. It's not intuitive because there aren't any exposed screws or bolts holding the cover on, so it's not clear how to remove it. What you need to do is just grab it and pull it down. One side down and the other side is down. These wire spring pins are what hold it up. Squeeze them together. Then pull down. The hooks seat in a slot up in the ceiling fan housing. Here's the second one. Squeeze them together and pull it down. Now the cover is free. Next, unplug the fan. It's like a regular wall plug with two prongs. Then you need to remove the fan from the fan housing. On this side, there are two tabs on the fan that stick horizontally into the slots in the fan housing. And on the opposite side, there's a spring flange that sits on top of three tabs, which are part of the housing. To free the fan, you'll just need a flathead screwdriver. Pry the spring flange up just a little bit to clear it of the three tabs. 1, 2, 3, all free. Then just pull it down. On the opposite side, where the tabs in the fan go into the slots in the housing, just pull it out. And the fan is free. There it is. There's the exhaust fan. Now it's time to reinstall the new fan in reverse order. On the new fan, align the two tabs, 1, 2, with the two slots in the housing, 1, 2. Insert the fan, line up the tabs in the slots, and push it in. Then push it up. The spring flange on the other side will need to be pushed up above the tabs in the housing to fully seat it. Just use your screwdriver and pop it up. If needed, you can overbend the flange before you insert the fan to ensure that it'll properly pop above the tabs in the housing. Now, with the fan properly seated in the fan housing, you just need to plug it in. And that completes installing the fan in the housing. Now it's time to reinstall the cover. Pinch the spring pins close and insert them up into the slots. Once the hooks are in the slots, let go. Then we repeat on the other side. Squeeze it together, line it up in the slot, and push it in. It was a little bit of a challenge for me. There's not a lot of room for my hands in there. Now, with both of the spring pins correctly seated, there's only one thing left to do. Just push the cover back up to the ceiling, and the job is complete. And it looks good. As usual, thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you could, please give it a like and subscribe. Subscribing will really help the channel, and it'll let you know when new similar videos are posted. I'm making new videos frequently, at least once a week. I'll see you in the next video.